Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix. Got something quick for you here to show you. Got this. This is actually my truck. 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 4.7. Today it started clicking, making a clicking noise in the dash on the right side of the driver, behind the glove box. So basically, it's the blind door. I know that for sure. So this is basically how you get it. It takes about 10 minutes to do this job. Okay, so I'm going to show you quick. I already installed a new one, but I show you how simple it is. So the glove box, you got one on top, one on the bottom. The bottom one here, you got these two tabs here, or whatever you call them, right here. See, you just pull them out. They were in there. You see, I just pulled them out. Just squeeze, basically squeeze the glove box on the top right here. Let's show you if I can get it here. Squeeze like that. It goes in. Now I can put it back in, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So you squeeze here, squeeze the other side. It pops right out. Once you take it out, you look here on right here. It's the blend door. This is the new one. You got two small Phillips screwdrivers, and use a small Phillips screwdriver, guys, because you're not going to be able to reach this one right here in the back. Otherwise, the big one works for the front, but the little screwdriver in there. See, there's a harness. Disconnect this harness, press the tab on the front there, and then once you take these two screws, it comes right out. This is the old one right here. It's dead, and this is the new one I got from O'Reilly. Okay, and this is the part number. This is the part number. Now heat is work, no more clicking, all good to go. All right, as simple as that, guys. It's a short video, but it's easy and a quick job to do. And this glove box comes out piece of cake. Well, again, thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you like my videos, and I hope this helps somebody. Thank you.